Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI social apps inside today we need to create here the user chat list. We need to develop here. First of all, we need to see these designs inside the simulators. Today we need to create here this Flutter UI. Inside we need to design this, and these designs need to convert into the Swift UI. We need to develop here like this. So here first of all need to create here the search area, need to develop, then after the active user list need to give this here, then after need to create here the group list, need to develop this here, and then after last inside we need to create here the my chat user list, we need to develop here. Let's start how to write down inside the Swift UI. First of all need to write here inside the new files, go inside home folders and to create new files and to give these names as a chats view. Chats view, give this here chats view like this, give this name, and now need to copy here the home body. You need to copy this all data, we need to need here. Meanwhile when need to change this here the UI, copy here, and now need to go inside the chat UI and to paste this here code. Now need to remove this all area no needs now, and to change this name, recommended to active, and to comment this codes here no needs now, and to give this here the back arrow, and to set here the 25 with an heights. Need to give this years, and to change this name as a message, give this name, and here the detail screens opening like this. You need to setting this years, and first of all need to configure here the chats buttons. You need to go here and to write down inside the chat buttons. Need to create here the new navigations links. You need to give this here titles, and to calls here the chat view like this calls here the configure. Now need to go inside the chat view and need to see this UI designs, and one by one so need to create this here the designs, need to develop here. UI loads are the done here, and now need to set this here. First of all need to remove these shaders no needs now. Need to create here the divider. First of all the remove here this shadow no needs like this, set here, and now we need to create here the dividers. First of all need to give this here, create here the divider. The two dividers now need to patient, and now need to create here the add stack, need to develop here, and first of all need to set here the image, set as a search tab name, to set here the search icons. Now resizables need to create here and to set here the scale to fit, and now need to set here the frame, width need to set here the 25, and as well as need to set here the height 25. We need to set this here like this set. Now need to create here the text fields, need to develop here, give this here the titles, need to give this here the search message like this, and to give here the one state property to defines add here txt search double quotes. Now we need to pass inside here the dollar signs with give this value here, and now need to set here some property. We need to set here the font, custom fonts. We need to give this here, and to set here the mediums, and to set font size 23 13s. We need to give this here like this, set here. Now need to loading this here UI, and to waiting for the for this UI here. And now we need to set here the padding, that as a horizontals. Give here the 20 ms. We need to give here the padding, and set here the verticals, and to set here the 8 like this, set here this UI. And now need to create here the another buttons. Need to develop this here to create button, and labels need to give this here, and to create here the filter buttons. I need to copy paste this here to give here the image name as a filters. Need to set this here like this, and to create it this UI. And one more thing, so we need to set here the active dots. We need to display here. First of all, so we need to needs here the active dots creates. Need to go here the this here, and to set here one flags like is active, and give here the bool value. By default need to set this here the false. And now need to create here the another set text. Need to develop here, and to give this here the elements, set as a top headings. So need to give this here telling, and now need to cut this here this logic, and to put this here. And now need to create here the rectangle, like this, set here. Now need to set here the fill colors. Need to give this here the color base colors. Need to give this here. Then after need to set here the frame. Need to give here the width as a 20, height give also the 20. Now need to create here the corner radius. Need to develop here, give this here the radius, and to set here 10 is set. Now need to give here the overlay, get here the round corner rect, rounded rect. Need to develop this here. Now need to give here the stroke, and to give this color, and pass here the corners. Need to set here the tens, remove the styles no needs here, and to give these colors as a white. Then after need to give here the line width, set as a 3, not 2. Need to set this here, and to create here the shadow, to give this here the 2 like this, set here, and to create here, and set here one conditions if is active, and to go this rect. Base icons, we need to active icons are the display here, and to check over the view chat view side, need to give this here is active, passing it true like this, set here. And this active UI are the completes. Now load this UI and to display here the active, and now need to create here the this group list need to develop first of all, and after need to create this my chat view. First of all need to needs here the this copy this here and to paste this here that here, and to create here the dividers it's here copy and to paste this here, and now need to create here the stack and to give it here the at this here, and now need to set here the custom font and to set here the bold and need to give here the 19, and then afterwards need to set here the foreground colors, need to set here the primary text like this give here, and now need to set here the frame, need to copy here the infinity set here frame, and set as a max width, and to give this here the value infinity, this here is known as, and now need to set here the leading like this set here, and to give this here the headings need to set here set as a horizontal, and to set here the 20, then after need to set here the frame heights, need to set here set as a 40, and first of all need to create here the array, to array need to set this here my chat list array, and my group list array need to give this here, remove this here this issue, here issue with the max width that here width, and now this is loading here the UI, and to create here the one cells need to develop group cells, need to create here the new files side, and like this create here. And now need to where the objects as a string, any you need to paste here like this set here, and need to create here the stack, and to give this here the alignments as a set as a center, like this set here, and need to set here the padding set as a 8. Then after need to set here the param, need to give this here width as a 150, height need to give this here the 180, like this we need to set this here. And now need to set here the backgrounds, and to rounded rectangles, to give here the corners radius, and we need to set here the pi, see here on this over these brackets, and to create here the fill colors need to set as a color white. Then after need to create here the shadow set 3, and to set as a y, to need to set this here value, need to set this here. Now need to copy inside the text, need to copy here needs, and to paste this inside the group like they set here, and to give this here the names, need to set font as a 14 bold, need to set this here, and also need to set here the multi-text line that as a center is set here, and to set here the primary text colors need to give this here, like this set here. Now need to copy here this here, and that has a center. Now need to give this here the time, and to set here the 11 regulars, need to set this here, and to set here the secondary text colors, like this set this here. Now need to create here the divider, and after need to again so need to give this here. First of all need to give here the counts of number of the members, string, like this set here, and to see here the member. Now need to copy here Also need to set here the comments and to give this here the value here see object. Need to go inside the chat view and to needs here the any array list. Copy this here to set inside the preview. Set here. Now I am waiting for the loading this UI and to see this here how look like this display here and to configure inside these cells over chat view. Have to set here group my group array like this set me to like this value need to set here, and now I am waiting for the loading this UI. Now this is UI are loading done, and now need to create here the Avatar Stack need to develop first of all. First of all need to create here the new file to create here Avatar Stack view. This need to view this and to get this UI here. And to create here some property you need to needs here give this here the image array as is a string. It's like where when a person to needs here the image width use the CG plot is equal to give here the 40. Then another need to offset multipliers need to needs here give here the CG plot set as a 10. Then afterwards need to give here the maximum display of the image, maximum display set as the integer, and to give this here for 3 like this set here. Now need to create here the chat stack. Set here the element and to set here the leading and to set. Need to first of all find out the last index equal to identify is equal to write down here the image count heap with minus max display not image with image array. Sorry about that. Max display and to set here the Next display, we need to set this here, and to otherwise need to give here the image counts like this. We need to see here. Then afterwards need to is more flags. We need to get this here. If you go more view and to needs display here the counts. That's why I need to this here this count here to set as a max display. And then afterwards needs here the item counts, total display item counts needs here integers, and to this here is more set here max display plus ones is one. Otherwise we need to set here the last index set here. And then afterwards need to get here the param width multiply is equal to CG plot is equal to need to set here the brackets was need to get here image width this width minus this offset multiplier and to multiply by the CG, and to give this here the item counts here. And then afterwards let's here the plot set as a increase here this multiplier, and this is the RAM. Need to give this here like give this here the and to set here the give RAM, and to set here alignment, set here the leading, set here see up. Now need to create here the for each loop. Now need to set here the slash slash to give this here the last index. Then afterwards need to cell to give like this set. Now we need to set here the image display. Use this image array and index of value. Need to get this here. Also need to create here the resizables. Then afterwards need to scale to fill. Then afterwards need to set here the param that has a to give this here the image width. Also to image need to give here the height. Now need to set here the corner radius, and to set this here image width divided by 2. And afterwards need to set here the overlay for the creating outside the borders. Need to develop here. Use here the rounded rectangle radius is here the divided by 2 like this set. And now need to create the stroke. Need to give here color, and after need to set here width, and to give this here the, and then afterwards need to set this here the shadow to add in the towards need to and also give here the opacity 0 point, here the radius set as a 1, and now last ones need to set here the offsets set as a x value. Use this here the multiply set here the set here the value, and now need to configure these widgets inside the groups set like this here. To write down like this value, need to give this here set groups, and to set this here the image as optional list, like this, and to give this value here. Now need to set here the image width, need to set here the 40, multiplier need to set 10, and maximum display here 3. Now need to this UI. Now this view here the loadings here and displaying goods, but here not display here text. Need to first of all set this here the text to give it the outsides. If need to check is more, create here the text fields. I need to copy these comments. This here now need to set here more than 0. Like this, set here the value for the text. Also need to set here the frame like this set here. Now need to go inside the cells here and put this here and to check this UI. And now loading. Still not displaying here the text. Maybe issue with your offset. Set this here multiply to this one set here. Like this, we need to set this here, and now need to go inside the cells and to waiting for the loading here. Now this UI are loading done, and to display goods we need to get this font size set here 13. It's good. Now need to integrate inside the chat view to check this here. Now this UI loading here done, and to set here the 40. Now need to copy this here to create here this here my chats, and to also need to create here one buttons. Copy the search buttons, and to create here the edit buttons, and to set here the with an heights. Need to set this here, and my chats screen at the displaying to look like this UI. We need to develop here. First of all, need to needs here the new cells needs here. Need to create user chat row, yeah, create here, and need to go inside the home row. Need to techniques here, this here, so need here checked that is the screen set here. Now need to copy inside the group cells from dates. Need to copy this here, and to create here the with this here cells, optional string like this set here. To view this here the online, set as a by default to that as a, now need to set here 10. So I need to set this here, copy this overlay, create it as a 50. So now that here. Remove this here, no needs, and also need to remove these buttons, no needs here. Now need to create here the hashtag. Now need to set here the primary text infinity headings. Need to set this here, and to set this here the last message. It's like only set here the ones static keywords active, to set here one conditions is here one line like this. Value need to set this here for the active. First of all need to give this here the two objects. We need to copy first of all inside the chat view. Like this data we need to needs. Put this here set. To copy here and to set this here. Yeah, and to set here the primary app colors is here. Also need to give time value like set here. Now I am waiting for the load this UI and to see here how look like this display here. Maybe see a line. Also need to give this here the padding. You need to set this here. This is the displaying goods, no any issue. Need to use these cells. And one more things you need to set as a here. Need to check this value and to check if it is a group, and need to display here the avatar stack. You need to display here. Parts need to like this UI. Like this here. And go inside the, need to copy here, paste this here, like this here. here 15 width. We need to give years and set here the 15s. Set here. Now need to use these chats. Set the chat view. Uncommit this code. Give this here the my chat array. Like this set here. Now I am waiting for the loading this UI. Need to give here the padding. This here. And now displaying this UI as a good, no any issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.